right, if you're looking for a nice Firehawk, here you go. 1999 Pontiac Trans Am Firehawk. When I say Trans Am Firehawk, I believe 99 was the first year that they started converting the Trans Ams also. Now, as you see this in the videos and the pictures, you look at this paint and it almost looks like it's wet, or it does look like it's wet. This car does look as good in person as it does in any of the videos in the pictures. Now, as far as production on these, I believe coupes in 1999 that were converted, there was 539 of them. Of those 539, 316 at 6 speeds. This does have the 6-speed Borg Warner T56 in it. You break that down further to red with a 6-speed, I think you got a 1 at 65 here, if my numbers are correct. Now, this particular car, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents, a little over 12,000 miles. The gentleman that brought this to us, we've sold a 96 Pontiac Trans Am for him before. Extremely fussy owner, takes care of his stuff, and he'll only buy immaculate vehicles. So just the kind of guy that you want to get a car from. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video there's a description, and in that description click on the link. That link's going to take you right to our website so you can check out these pictures. Call us too. We'll be happy to discuss this car with you. Know it well. 507-386-1726. Now, underneath the hood, of course, the LS1 5.7 liter. After SLP Engineering got a hold of it, tweaked it a little bit, do their thing, 327 horsepower, 345 pound-feet of torque. Blasted drive, reviews in this car in the day, incredible. A lot of performance, a lot of fun right here. Now, along with this car, you're going to see in the pictures everything that comes with it. It's the paperwork as far as all the receipts from the original owner. I did notice in there that he did put a short throw shifter in this car. The original shifter in a box goes with the car. There's also the SLP or Firehawk window sticker. There's the Pontiac window sticker. There is a build sheet. All of that is included with this car. Now, what was added on to this from SLP, of course, you got their regular alteration list, and that I believe was $3,900, give or take, and you'll be able to tell by looking at that Firehawk window sticker. And then this has additional on top of that, from the Bilstein shocks to, as you can see, these chrome wheels, the performance lubricant, the floor mats. You get the Firehawk floor mats in here. You have the Firehawk cover, and that is right back here included with it also. Like I said, in the back of this, I have a box, has a folder with all the paperwork, everything, and then actually another cover. All that's going to go with the car. And again, check out that window sticker from SLP, because it'll have the list of it. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to give us a call or email and ask your sales associate about any of that you'd have questions on. And we're going to check out the interior, start this thing up so you can hear it run. Once again, take a look at the still pictures. Spend your time looking through them. Just see how clean this car is. Still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to us. 507-386-1726. Number to call. Just a beautiful T-top car. And look at how, you want to see some of the detail. Look at how clean it is up here. Look at the rubber gaskets. All pliable. They're not hardened. This car's been stored inside. Just look at that. Let's take a look at this interior. So of course you get your power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Something I want to show you, the floor mat. just to show you how clean this is. I mean, there's not a little piece of tar that got stuck to a shoe and carried in here. Seats. Look at bolster. Want a nice close-up shot of a bolster. See if it's worn at all or not. Just look at that. Incredible. I also noticed there is receipts. If you're familiar with these and you know how these cracked, because of actually how they were produced from General Motors, there's a fix to that. That has been done. And there is receipts for that also in the folders that are in the back. If you got questions on that, call me. I'll explain it to you. I'll show you the receipts, tell you all about it. Steering wheel controls, yes, they work. Yes, AC blows cold. CD player, everything works in this car. Here's your 6-speed. One other thing the previous owner added, didn't want people putting a can, any sort of thing that would spill, so he filled it in with a ashtray out of a Sunbird or Sunfire, and no, it's never been smoked in. That was just used to fill that in, so no one would be tempted to put their beverage in there and have it happen to spill, because it is kind of a poor location. What are you going to do? You're going to hit it with your elbow or your arm and knock it out of there. All right. We're going to start this up. Check out the exact mileage. We'll take a look under the hood. Been fortunate enough to have the chance to drive one of these, and they are a blast. So there you go, 12,386,000 miles. That light there, that's just the seat belt. I'm not putting it on. So there you have it, no warning indicators. You have your monsoon stereo system in the Pontiacs. Everything is working there. We're going to click that off for now too. Power antenna here going down in the back. Power antenna works fine. Look at that dash. No cracks, no discoloration. Like I said, this thing hasn't sat outside except for maybe a few car shows is what I'm guessing. LS1, very throaty, nice sounding. Slip around to the back. Nothing crazy. Nice little rumble until it comes time to get on that throttle. Then you'll get that bark and this car will move out. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so I can show you how nice it is underneath there also. Alright, here's your 5.7 liter LS1. Purrs like a kitten. Here you can see there's a performance lubricant upgrade, and that will be, like I said, on that window sticker. It's one of the things that came from SLP. Very, very clean engine bay, well taken care of car. Just take a look at that. So there you have it. If you're looking for a 1999 Firehawk, this is a nice one. 6-speed manual, all the goodies, chrome wheels, should say. Low mile, incredible condition. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the pictures and everything of this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email.